guys. Alright guys, well I'm gonna give you a video of my hoover floor scrubber in action on this tile. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this Lowry's really awesome orange stuff down. This stuff good cleaner. It's a Dollar General. As you can see, it is some good stuff. I bought this floor scrubber at Goodwill. Here's Goodwill now. I can't remember quite on that. I didn't want or how one. Plug in. Okay. Let's get started. The only dirt that's really here is what's falling off this machine itself that's sat around for a while. Let's get around the cement for everything. This brush is locked in. Oh, man. There we go. There's your brush. They're still fairly clean. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that.